Hello, everybody. I hope you're having a good evening, morning. You're probably watching this video at some point, procrastinating it at the very last second.
Lunch.
Lunch.
Miss Green's here.
Miss Green is here?
Miss Green's here.
Miss Green's here.
Newsom is not here.
Oh, Miss Newsom disappeared, so we don't have Miss Newsom. We're working on percent increase and percent decrease. This is just if you have a percentage of an increase of a percentage and a decrease of a percentage. You get a pay raise, how much more of a percent you're making, things like that.
Like if I say I'm going to give you guys 5% on your test, if you watched your video, that doesn't mean 5 points.
It's a 5%.
Right. Well, in this case, it is going to be 5 points because it's 5% out of 100 points.
But if your test was out of 80%,
There you go. Right.
5%, something to that effect.
5% of your grade. There you go.
Yes.
Then you have to find the 5% of like your grade of an 80. So that's what we're going to teach you to do right now.
Yes.
Or here's your learning target.
Your learning target is we will solve problems involving percent increase and percent decrease by using proportions. I'm telling you that proportion word is just going to be all over the place right now. So this is how you solve a percent increase. You have the difference over the original times 100. The difference would be the difference in the original and the new. So like if someone was making more money, the difference between what they were making and then the original times 100.
What are we saying? Oh, here.
I need a card.
We've got to show you an example, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So the value of my Xbox went from $250 to $100. What is the percent decrease? This is a decrease because the amount of money this Xbox is worth decreased from $250 to $100. So remember, we have difference over original times 100. What is my difference from 250 to 100?
Will you subtract that?
250
Subtract
minus
it.
100 is 150.
So
Now remember, it's not always going to be 250 minus 100 because if it was an increase, it doesn't matter. You're always going to subtract the smallest number from the biggest number.
yes.
Always.
Find the
So
difference.
250 minus 100 is 150. Over what was my Xbox originally worth?
The first value that,
That's what I paid.
starts
That's
with,
what,
exactly.
It says right here, it
250.
went from, and that's where I started with.
yes.
Times 100.
Right.
So what is 150 divided by 250?
0.6.
So that's 0.6 times 100. Make that an X.
I know a trick to multiply by 100.
I do too. You just add 2 zeros. You move your decimal place. 1, 2. So you go 0.6.
You don't add 2
1,
zeros, you add
2,
2 decimal
two
places.
decimal places. That's what I meant. And you've got 60. So it's a 60% decrease.
Because it says
Why
right
is
here.
it decreased?
Because
it
it
went
went
down.
from 250 down to 100.
Okay.
So it didn't go down 150%.
No.
No, it went down $150. And
Yes.
we have to find the percent, therefore, using this little equation.
Yeah. So let's look at another problem. Anne works in the grocery store for $10 per hour. If her pay is increased to $12 per hour, what is her percent increase? So again, we're doing an increase, and we're going to do difference
Over original.
over original. Can I get a blank sheet
And
of
if
paper?
you guys are like, oh,
Times
man,
100.
it's another equation.
Put it on top so
It's
they can
not.
see it.
It's not an equation. I mean, it's not something else you have to remember. Remember yesterday we did part over whole. Well, think about your difference being the part.
The
that's
original being the
right.
whole.
Yeah, if you think about your difference being the part that is the difference between the two. That's
yeah.
really what it is. It's your part that went up or your part that went down over your original. So it's not a whole new equation.
Can you do equals over
Yeah.
percent over 100? So I could do difference over original equals percent over 100, right?
Yes.
Just like part over whole equals.
It's
to
the
X.
exact same, guys. So don't go, oh my gosh, this is different. You still have percent over 100. It's still the same.
Yep.
It is. So don't freak out.
No.
It's just all different words.
Yes. So what is our difference in her pay?
Well, it tells you.
12
It was
minus
$10
10,
and
yeah.
now it's $12.
So $2 is
So
the difference. in
$2
those two numbers. Yeah.
over what was her original pay?
$10.
So over 10.
It went
We could set it
from
up as the
10
proportion since our
You should come all the way over here.
because I felt like it. So there's more space. So let's set it up as the proportion just to show them, because it, in our learning target it does say by proportion. So let's do this and show them that it's the exact same. Do I have it set up in this?
Yeah.
So what is 2 times 100?
200.
So 200 equals 10x, because I'm doing my cross multiplying. I'm multiplying these two and I'm multiplying these two. And then I'm going to divide by 10. What is 200 divided by 10?
20.
So x equals a 20% increase. Should I show you what the difference over original times 100?
Sure.
So the difference over original was 2 over 10 times 100. 2 divided by 10 is 0.2 times 100.
20%.
That's 20%. So either way will get you the same answer.
I'm just trying to show you that it's not different.
No.
It's the exact same thing. This is the same as part over whole. Percent is always out of 100.
You just have to remember your part is the difference. So if it says percent increase or percent decrease, you have to remember your part is the difference
It's the small part.
Yeah, the
It's always
small
gonna
part.
be- yeah.
over the original price.
Right.
Is that all we had for them today?
It is.
Oh, that's it.
Happy days. Thank you guys.
See you
good
guys
night,
later.
day.
Bye.